You might have heard that people are making real money online in 2025. And it's true. Anyone can do this regardless of where you live, what skills you have, or even how old you are. It's possible to start earning a full-time living from home, doing something you enjoy, without having to invest tons of money into getting started. But there's one thing that you absolutely must have. Are you ready? Time. If you have just an hour or two every day to spare, then by the end of this video, you gonna have 10 different ways that you can use your spare time to start making money online right now. I'm talking about methods that you can get started with today that will allow you to quit your job if you want to, or at the very least bring in some extra cash on the side. And best of all, these 10 methods don't require any experience, and they all work worldwide. So whether you're from India, Nigeria, the USA, or anywhere in between, you can do this. But please remember this, nothing worthwhile in life is easy, and the reality is that if you want to make a full-time living online, it's going to take time, consistency, and the willingness to learn new things. That being said, you also need to stay aware of scammers because they're everywhere. I'll never ask you for your WhatsApp number, so please don't ever provide that kind of information. Also, keep in mind that no one can promise you exactly how much you'll earn using these methods. The amount that you earn will depend on factors like how much time you have available, the effort you put in, and the skills you develop over time. Now, enough with the chit-chat. Let's dive straight into the first method, which is freelancing with AI help. If you have any interest in writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, or other similar fields, then freelancing could be a great way for you to leverage your talents and make money online. This is especially true in 2025 as AI is revolutionizing the way that freelancers work and making it easier than ever before to find clients. There are 3 main platforms that I recommend for finding freelance work: Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. With Fiverr, you can offer your services starting at $5 and work your way up as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Upwork is another popular platform where you can bid on different projects and set your own rates. Freelancer is a global marketplace where you can compete for jobs in various categories. Now here's where AI comes in. You can use tools like ChatGPT to help you with things like writing, creating outlines, or even generating ideas for your business. And if you need help with graphic design, you can use Canva to create professional-looking images and videos quickly and easily. For example, you could offer services like resume writing, article editing, basic graphic design, proofreading, and so much more. The second way to make money is by selling digital products. Now, when it comes to making money online, selling digital products is one of my top recommendations because it is super profitable and it doesn't require you to spend a lot of money upfront to get started. I'm talking about selling things like ebooks, templates, or Notion planners. These are all digital products that you can create once and sell over and over again without having to spend any money on manufacturing or shipping. All you need to do is create a simple website using platforms like Wix or Squarespace and use Gumroad or Etsy to actually process the sales and payments. Then you can start promoting your products on social media, through email marketing, or even paid advertising. When it comes to the actual creation of these digital products, you can use tools like Canva to create templates and Notion to create interactive notebooks and planners. And of course, ChatGPT can be used to write the contents of your ebook. Method number 3 is print-on-demand stores. Print-on-demand is a business model that allows you to sell custom-printed items like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and journals without having to handle any of the printing or shipping yourself. Instead, a third party handles all of that for you. So when a customer places an order, the print-on-demand company prints the item and ships it directly to your customer. This means that you don't have to invest any money into buying inventory up front, and you wouldn't have to deal with any of the headaches of trying to fulfill orders yourself. And the best part is that you can use websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful to create your store in just a few minutes. You can design your own shirts, mugs, journals, and so much more using free tools like Canva and start making money from each sale. Alright, method number 4 is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale that you generate. For example, let's say you have a blog or a social media account with a large following. You can join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, Impact, or ClickBank and promote products that are relevant to your audience. When one of your followers clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on that sale. This is a great way to make money online because you don't need to create your own product and you only need to put in a small amount of work to set it up initially. The rest will be done by the affiliate program that you sign up for. Some of the most successful affiliates out there are making tens of thousands of dollars per month. So it's definitely worth looking into. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps me out, and I appreciate your support. And while you're at it, why not subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. Now let's move on to method number 5, which is YouTube automation. YouTube automation is a method of growing a channel by creating faceless videos that don't require you to show your face or spend a lot of money to produce them. You can basically create videos like this one using AI tools like ChatGPT to write the script, hire a voiceover artist from Fiverr, and then use free software like CapCut to edit everything together and add some royalty-free music. Once you've created a few videos, you can monetize your channel by placing ads, promoting affiliate links, or even selling your own digital products. One of the best things about YouTube automation is that it's a great way to build passive income. And the longer your videos stay up and get views, the more money you'll make. It takes a little bit of time to get started, but once you have a few videos up and running, it should start paying off pretty quickly. Method number 6 is online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a certain area such as teaching English as a foreign language, math, science, or even a skill like cooking or playing an instrument, then you can make money online by offering your services as a tutor or coach. There are a ton of different platforms out there that connect tutors with students, such as Cambly, Preply, and even hosting your own Zoom classes. Most of these platforms don't require you to have a college degree, and you can set your own hours and rates. So it's a great way to make some extra money on the side. Just make sure that you re-qualify to teach whatever subject you choose, and that you re-patient and able to explain things in a clear and concise way. Method number 7 is remote customer support jobs. If you're good with people and don't mind helping others solve their problems, then this could be the perfect way for you to make money online. There are many companies out there that hire remote workers to answer emails or chats, or even make phone calls to help customers with their questions or concerns. It's a great way to make some extra money on the side, and it's usually pretty flexible in terms of hours. Just do a quick search on sites like We Work Remotely or Indeed to find some opportunities that fit your skills and experience. Alright, method number 8 is becoming a content creator on TikTok or Instagram. This is a great way to leverage your passions and knowledge to make money online. All you need to do is pick a niche that you're interested in, such as money tips, AI tools, life hacks, and so on. Then you can start creating short videos that provide value to your target audience. As you grow your following, you can start making money through brand deals, affiliate links, and selling your own digital products. It's important to note, though, that growing a following takes time and consistency, so you need to be patient and persistent if you want to see results. Method number 9 is AI-powered microtasks. Microtasks are small online jobs that can be completed in a short amount of time. They include things like transcribing audio files, taking surveys, labeling images, and more. And the best part is that these tasks can be completed using AI tools, which means that anyone can do them. Websites like Remotasks, ClickWorker, and Toloka are all great places to find these types of jobs, and you can expect to earn around $5 to $20 per day consistently. And finally, method number 10 is selling stock photos, videos, or audio. If you're a photographer or videographer, then you can sell your work online through stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, and so much more. You can upload your photos or videos to these websites and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. You can also leverage AI tools to create stock content where permitted, and it is a great way to earn passive income. Now, if you like this video, you're going to absolutely love part 2. I'll see you there.